Guys, today we are playing Furnace Myself. But I'm sorry, I don't know what's that game. So maybe it's Furnace Myself. But in 15 minutes. So let's begin this game, shall we? So today we are playing that game. I forgot that game. Sorry. We will. Okay. Well. Okay. Sorry guys for not knowing the game. So let's just begin, shall we? Sorry for the. I don't know. Then let's begin, shall we? So all we have to do is to survive. And all we have to do is to survive in this cell because I'm a prisoner. So make sure like and subscribe for more horror like this because it's a horror. Get back in your cell. Guys, what's happening? And it started later, it's nighttime. What guys? Guys, what's happening? Hold up open. Okay guys, what's happening? Okay guys, let's survive, okay? So you have customizing like that. Oh, I can customize actually. I will just get some more. Alright guys, so make sure like subscribe. Why? Guys, there's nothing to do now. Look at me, I don't have furnace. I didn't start it and look at me, I'm hungry. Oh well guys, maybe we'll get some more. So make sure like and subscribe. I don't know why. Oh well, let's see. Guys, there's nothing. See? Normal. Guys, there's nothing. Oh well, I'm gonna walk. Guys, look at this. Okay, guys, let's explore some cells. So look at this guy, bro. Bro, how many cells do you have? And look at this thing, bro. Look at this, Masons, bro. Oh well, guys, let's go to the mall, shall we? Guys, there's nothing to be here. What's the meaning of it? What do you mean? Oh, I get it, guys. Guys, do you see that? Yep, that's why. I get it, guys. Please, I'm hungry. Look at my hunger. I haven't started it. So make sure like and subscribe for more this game like this. And don't worry, I will. And I'm sorry, I don't know this game. I forgot this game. Maybe it's Furnish Your Cell. Maybe. Okay, we'll call this game called Furnish Your Cell. Yep. Okay, guys. What do you mean? There's nothing. What is that creature? Guys, what is this creature? I wanna go. Oh, why is it going? Why, guys? Why is it going forward me? Oh, guys, I don't know what's happening, but I'm getting hungry right now. Please, can I have food? I can't, bro. I can't. Bro, I don't have food. So make sure like subscribe. And tomorrow it's my birthday. So in April 19th it's my birthday, and we're going to swimming. And then tomorrow I'll vlog swimming. Yes, I'll vlogging in swimming and West Manor. You know that one? So make sure like subscribe. Okay, guys, survive my night. Woohoo! Okay, guys, let's go. Day 17, point for nature. Where do you get food, by the way? Okay, guys, let's go to the mall, guys, shall we? And how do you get food? There's no food? Oh, the plan. Guys, that's some cell. I don't know why we eat. So let's eat. What to be the party? Okay, guys, what about this? Let's go to food. Okay, there's food. Please, I don't wanna die. Oh no. Okay, guys, there's food. Food added in your inventory? What? But there's no inventory. Wait, guys, there's no inventory. Oh, okay. Well, at least I get this pizza. Okay, and even this.
Nobody
Okay.
shops like you. Nobody. I've seen shoppers, and you're easily top 5.
Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm full. Alright guys, let's get some more. So let's hurry up. So guys, make sure like and subscribe for more furnitures like this. So today we're gonna get money. Make something like that. Alright guys, let's go to the sale. Huh? Even there's movie theaters? What? Guys, you can actually movie theater. For real, what? But there's nothing. But there's no working movie on it. Sorry guys, I think there's no working movie on it. Well, Jaws is already done. Why is it still there? Okay guys, let's continue.
It's safe. Very safe. Safer.
Beyond that. Okay guys, let's take this one. Okay guys, let's put this in our bed and later we'll get some more. So make sure like and subscribe for more furniture
Welcome to my big store.
Alright guys, there's a movie theater. Wait, you can actually get that? Oh well. We'll try that. So make sure like and subscribe for more furniture bed like this. Sorry guys, so it's been 6 minutes, so let's go. Okay, guys. I don't know how can I place. Oh well, just make sure like straight. Alright guys. Then hold. Guys, let's survive. Hopefully we can survive. And look at this bed. Oh well. So today we're gonna and later we're gonna find furniture and bring back to yourself. Okay guys, which one should I pick? Maybe here. There. Wait. How can I actually put it down? Guys, do you know how can you actually put it down? Please tell me guys. What bro? I don't know. Guys, do you know? Wait a second. Do you have So make sure like subscribe for more videos like this. Oh. Wait, guys, how can you turn on this thing? Huh? Guys, listen. I know, but okay, you're wasting my time, game. Hold up, guys. Let me fix this. Guys, how can you actually I'm trying. Wait, red. I get it, guys. I get it. Red is mean bad. Okay, get it, but okay, guys. Okay, guys, I get it, guys. Red means it's not good furnishing. Okay, guys, there's my bed. Since it's not working, this is my bed right now. And you know, can I sleep? I don't know. Hold up, guys. Let me fix the setting. What? What? Guys, hold up. Okay. Bro's tricking me. Okay. What is this? Oh. Okay, guys. There we go. Alright, guys, I don't like this thing. Wait, how can I hold this thing? Okay, guys, this is my bed. I know it's very ugly, but this is my first one. So, how can I sleep? Well, first of all, I'm gonna climb here. I'm gonna climb, and later, just like that, sleep. See? Genius idea. Uh-oh. Guys, I'm looking like asleep. Oh, well. Ow! Oh, well, this is my first one. So, let's see. Auto turret. Ooh. Guys, I'm hungry again. Guys, I'm gonna unlock them. So, make sure like subscribe. Okay, guys, let's go back, okay? I don't know what's happening. So, look at this base. Guys, let's steal. Okay, we actually steal. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna get my base upgraded. First of all, I'm gonna get foods like that. I'm hungry. I'm not automatically hungry. I don't know why. So make sure like subscribe. Make sure like and subscribe. Oh well, let's go. Shall we? Hey guys, let's get some foods. And put it in our inventory. And getting our furnitures and later decorating them for more rooms and then. And I don't know why it's night. Is it monsters like that? I don't know. Let's go to the food. Let's go to the food. Gonna get some food first. Ooh, cola. Hello, police. Let's see how many we got. Okay, the last one. And later we will Okay, guys, let's see. I'm gonna eat. Grabe, why is it instant energy? Wait, I didn't actually remove that. Where's my food then? Maybe, okay guys, I'm full. Let's go to the mall and later get some furniture. So make sure to subscribe if you want to watch a movie video in the mall. And if you watch movies in the mall, make sure that you subscribe. So it looks like a multiverse. So I want tickets too. Oh, I can get actually. Oh, okay. You cannot watch shows always. Okay guys, let's not waste our time. Gym, okay. But I want to furnish something. Let's add. Ooh. Let's add this. Okay guys. So make sure to subscribe for more furniture sale like this. Let's add this because this is so complete and we're gonna unlock it. in the next one. Later we're gonna remove the bed
You're
into
doing
it, okay?
great things here.
Genius, okay?
Incredible job.
And later we'll get some gems. The gems will be in the first one and later. So I don't know why. Can we escape from the cell? Can we do it actually? So make sure like subscribe if we can escape. Go, bro, what's guy doing? What is he building? Oh well, maybe he's building it too from the midway. Genius idea. So make sure like and subscribe, okay? Okay guys, I think it's for 15 minutes, so let's end here later, okay? Where we put it? So make sure like subscribe for more videos like this. Hope Night's coming soon. Okay guys, let's see. Oh well guys, let's end here, shall we? Sorry guys, I think it's 15 minutes now and it's past 15 minutes so 15 minutes now. So let's end here, shall we? And thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So goodbye, stay sweet, bye. Anyways, I'm gonna try out to get some furnishing in the mall, okay? So goodbye guys.